Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can divide your pages in your Notion workspace really quickly and without any advanced technical skills whatsoever. So follow along, make sure you drop a like, and now let us get started. So guys, it is actually fairly simple. There are basically two different ways how you can divide a page. So as you can see, we're on that example page here inside my Notion workspace, and you can divide your pages either horizontally, like I did here, or vertically. So the first option would be to, for example, place a divider, a horizontal divider like that, to divide the upper part or half of your page from the lower part, or you can set as many of these dividers as you like to divide your page into several sections. So let me divide, for example, let's say that part here with the text and that table below. This is how you can do it, guys. What you want to do is start a new line here, for example, and here next to the text, simply click on that plus icon, and from that menu below where you see suggested as well as basic blocks, scroll down till you get to the divider. Let me find it. There it is, a divider like that. So as you can see, now the divider has been placed. Here, you, of course, you may add as many of these dividers as you like. As you can see, I placed one here, one here. It all depends where you place it. So that's one way how you do it. The other option would be, for example, if you'd like to divide your page vertically, would be to simply take, for example, any element here inside on your page, like a text, for example, by left clicking on these 6 dots next to the given item or element. Click on it, hold your left mouse and move the given element here outside your box to the left or to the right. It doesn't matter where. You may, for example, move it here to the right. And once you see that blue line here, you may release your left mouse and place the item there. And as you can see, now that part of that page here has been divided into a part left and a part to the right. And you may repeat that as often as you like. So let me add or take another item and move it, for example, here to the right. And there you go. Now we have 3 parts or 3 segments of that page. And you can repeat that as often as you like. As you can see, it's super intuitive and doesn't require any advanced technical skills whatsoever, guys. So that's how it works in practice. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.